All right, listen up. H hour is approaching. Final gear check, straps tight. Let's show them what we're made of. Check the tension on that strap, soldier, and secure that buckle properly. Secure your chest strap right here, tighter. Check your buddy's gear. I want everyone locked in before we move out. Everything looks good, Chen. Remember your count and follow my commands. Move to the door. Think we'll catch any sleep on the flight? Doubtful. Miller wants us prepped as soon as we land. Move quickly! Keep it moving! Find your seats in the back! Stand by! Green light! Go, go, go! Get ready! Get me ready! Run! Green light, go! 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 Assembly point, grid 2, 9er Delta. Move out. Moving, Sergeant. I thought I was going to land in that creek for sure. All right, let's get loaded up. We have a mission to complete. Hey Rodriguez, need a hand with that tent? Nah, I got it, thanks. Almost done here. Smells good over by the stove. I'm starving.
I keep thinking about heading up to the lake when we get back. Just fishing all day.
Sounds peaceful.
You deserve it, Private. We're almost there.
Slow it down. Eyes open. Moving slow and steady. Keep your sectors covered.
Copy that, Sergeant.
All teams, final push. Get to cover. Moving. Grid coordinates checked. Objective is at 090 azimuth. Roger that. Moving when ready. Ankle's stable. You good to move?
It's tight, but I'm good to go, Doc.
Antenna locked. Calibrating frequency now.
Wait, I see something 2 clicks north-northeast. Possible targets.
Confirming coordinates. Stand by for relay.
Bearing 270, distance 1.5 kilometers. Target moving southeast. Copy, actual. Orders received for revised extraction point.
Roger, out.
Viper 2-1, this is Centurion 5. Radio check, over. We have a confirmed visual and status report ready for transmission.
Here, looks like prints in the frost.
Yeah, I see him. Hold that position while I log it.
Cinch it tight. Don't fall behind. We keep moving.
Reach, moving. Clear left, clear right. Drink this. Thanks, buddy. Job well done. Welcome home. Thanks. It feels good to be back on solid ground.
We tracked the target along this route, confirming the grid references provided. The extraction point was secured by 2200. Mission accomplished.
Get that pallet secured. Driver, swing left. Drop it tight against the headboard. Move, move. We got 3 more coming in behind it. Watch it.
It's okay to feel however you need to feel right now, son.
Thank you, Chaplain. I needed that.
We're here for you.
Pull! Dig in! Yeah! Yeah! Come on, guys, you're almost there. Keep pulling.
General, we have a confirmed location on the target. I need to brief the commanding general immediately.
This landing zone offers the best cover for the insertion.
But what about the observation point on the ridge?
That will be suppressed by air support prior to touchdown.
Feet and knees together. Prepare for impact. Roll. That's better. Next group, let's see that fluidity.
Remember that time Lopez almost lost his boot in the mud?
How could I forget? Took us an hour to find it.
He blamed the new guy.
Sentinel, this is Echo 2. Data packet sent. Acknowledge receipt.
Stand by. Green light, go! 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 Next group, move up. Let's get this right. All right, everyone, listen up. This jump is happening now. We go in fast and hard, execute the plan, and secure the objective.